What's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to be tackling a topic that might stir up some controversy, but it's absolutely vital for anyone aspiring to become a successful indie game developer. The title of this video says it all. Indie game dev communities are brainwashing you to keep you poor. So if you're serious about turning game dev into a full-time gig, then I suggest you stick around in this video because it just might change your life. Let's get straight to the point. The vast majority of game dev communities out there, 99% of them are filled with people who, despite their passion, have never really managed to make game development their full-time living. And hey, that's okay. But the problem is, these are the same people that often give the loudest advice. And unfortunately, it's mostly negative and misguided. In these communities, you'll often hear things like, the market is too saturated, you'll never make money with indie games, or only AAA titles can succeed. This negativity can quickly kill your motivation and lead you down the wrong path. And then there's the advice. Much of it comes from well-meaning individuals who haven't quite cracked the code themselves. There's a very good saying that you should always take to heart. Never take advice from someone who has not yet achieved what you are looking to achieve. So having said all of this, why should you listen to me? Well, for one, I was you. You see, a few years ago, I was absolutely broke, sleeping on a dirty mattress on the floor, and I knew absolutely nothing about making games. You see, I've spent the last few years learning and experimenting with different things to see what actually works so that you don't have to make those same mistakes. The simple mobile games I make now currently generate me hundreds of thousands of dollars in profit per year, and I'm able to travel around the world and live my dream life. I've developed strategies that I can apply to my own games over and over again to generate thousands of dollars in monthly profit. Take this brand new game I recently released. It's already generating $2,000 a month in monthly profit, and I haven't even spent a single cent on marketing. Imagine if you had an army of games like this making money for you even while you sleep. How would that change your life? So what's the big secret? The truth is, I was able to seek out the right people to help guide me and steer me in the right direction. People who have already been there and done that. Things would get overwhelming, but having that constant community support was the real game changer for me. It allowed me to achieve full-time game dev status much quicker than if I had to learn everything on my own. And that's exactly why I'm inviting you to join my private indie game dev community. Here, successful game developers, including myself, share our knowledge and experience to help you get real results. It literally has all the tools and resources you need to achieve full-time game dev status. Once inside, you will gain free access to my organic growth marketing course, which I could easily charge upwards of $500 for. It's the exact same step-by-step strategies I use to this day to help me generate over 2 million installs for my games, as well as almost $1 million in profit. And that's all without having to spend a single cent on marketing. I hold nothing back, no BS, no fluff, just the stuff that really works. You will also get personalized guidance from myself to help you navigate all the challenges of game development to help you reach your goals, plus numerous other benefits to help you achieve full-time game dev status. So if you're tired of all the negativity and you're looking to take your game dev career to the next level, then click on the link in the description below to get you started on your journey to success, and I will see you in there. So I'll see you on the next video, guys. Stay safe and peace out.